Deep in the heart of South America lies one of the Earth's most extraordinary treasures. It's the great Amazon rainforest. Expanding over 5.5 million square kilometers, this lush green expanse is often called the lungs of the planet, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. Home to over 10% of all known species, the Amazon is a living library of biodiversity. From the vibrant macaws soaring through the skies to the jaguar stalking the forest floor, every inch of this ecosystem just teems and is alive with life. Researchers say that 1 in every 10 species of creatures on the planet is found in Amazon forest, which makes it a fulfilled one. The Amazon is also a botanical wonder, which keeps 40,000 plant species in itself. Many of these plants are not only vital to the ecosystem, but also hold secrets to medicines that could save lives. One of the biggest attractions of the Amazon forest is the Amazon River. Stretching over 6,400 kilometers, is the lifeblood of the rainforest. It carries more water than any other river in the world, and it supports countless communities and species. Also, 20% of fresh water comes from Amazon River basin. Yet, this paradise is under threat. Every year, vast areas of the forest are lost to deforestation, agriculture and mining. The impact is devastating, not just for the wildlife, but for the global climate. In the recent years, the area is prone to wildfires or the forest fires in a way which has rampaged the whole situation in the Amazon forest. It's too severe. The situation is still devastating. The Amazon is also home to millions of people, including indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Their wisdom and culture are invaluable. Yet, they too face challenges as their land and way of life come under siege. If the situation goes like this, it will not just be a danger for the people involved there, but it will be a big warning for the whole planet. The Amazon's destruction is a crisis that affects us all. Its role in absorbing carbon dioxide and stabilizing the Earth's climate cannot be overstated. Protecting it is not just an environmental imperative, but it's a moral one for every one of us. There is still hope. Conservation efforts, reforestation projects, and sustainable practices are steps toward preserving this irreplaceable wonder. Together, we can ensure that the Amazon rainforest thrives for generations to come.